Hi friends. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I would like to show you how to download and install KB5008295 update in Windows 11. Recently, this update is issued by Microsoft in order to fix a snipping tool error, voice typing, emoji panel, and more of your system. Go to the search bar and type Settings. Click on Settings at the top of the result. Inside Settings, click on Windows Update at the left-hand panel. Now, click on Check for Updates button. Click on the Install Now button. Wait for some time, until the installation process has been not done. Finally, click on the Restart Now button.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.